Hi, I'm Paddy from windowanddoorparts.ie, and in this video I'm going to show you how to correctly measure for replacement door handles. The first thing you want to check is the handle centers. Now, this is the most critical size when it comes to door handles. If you order the incorrect size, there's no possible way that the door handles will fit. On very old doors, a lot of the time it's not possible to get the exact same door handles, as a lot of door handles have become obsolete over the years. In this case, what I do is I get door handles with the same centers and I drill new screw holes in the door to suit the new handles. Now, you really don't want to go down these lines unless it's absolutely necessary. What we want to do is get a straightforward replacement if possible.
The centers of the door handles are measured from the center of the handle lever to the center of the Euro cylinder. Have a quick check on the outside handle also, as some door handles can be offset lever pad handles, which means the outside handle lever is positioned lower than the inside handle. The most common size for lever pad handles is 92mm/62mm. This means the centers of the internal handle is 92mm and the centers of the external handle is 62mm. So I'm going to measure up the handles on this door. I'm going to mark the centers of these handles with the help of some masking tape. The most common center sizes are 92mm, 70mm and 48mm. So the centers of these handles are 70mm. The next thing to check is the position of the fixing screws. The most common types are what I call screw above and screw below. The screw above handle has the screw located at the top of the handle above the handle lever. This type is also referred to as long back plate. The screw below handle has the screw located below the handle lever and is also referred to as short back plate. So the next size to check is the distance from the center of each screw. So the centers of the screws are 200mm. Next, measure the center of the top screw and to the center of the handle lever, and this is 70mm. Next, measure from the center of the bottom screw to the center of the Euro cylinder, and this is 60mm. Some handles might have an extra screw in the center. If your handles have an extra screw in the center, measure from the center of the middle screw to the top screw and to the bottom screw. Next, measure the overall length of the handles. So the overall length of these handles is 230mm. Bear in mind, some models of door handles have been updated by the manufacturer. I can think of this example where all the other sizes are the same, but the shape at the top and bottom of the handle has changed to circular over a square shape. This changes the overall length of the handle slightly, and this sometimes throws people off. So just bear in mind the overall length isn't crucial. And the last thing to measure is the width, which in this case is 32mm.
And that's all the information you need to select the correct door handles to suit your door. So you can go to the Window and Door Parts website now, select door handles and see the range that we stock.
So let's start looking. The most important size is the handle centers, and this is how the handles will be categorized everywhere. So I'm looking for 70 center handles. So we can see here these are 92mm. So here we go. These ones look like the handles we just measured, and they're 70mm centers. So let's click here and check the sizes. Okay, so 70mm centers, yes. 200mm between the screws, yes. 70mm between the top screw and the lever. 60 between the bottom screw and cylinder. 230mm overall and 32mm wide. So we have a perfect match.
And that's all from me. Please give the video a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching.